In this podcast, you will learn 20 English idioms in just 10 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my English podcast. Today, we're going to talk about 20 English idioms in just 10 minutes. So listen carefully. Are you ready? So let's start. Number 1. Piece of cake. This idiom means something is very easy. For example, this homework is a piece of cake. So when something is not difficult, you can say, it's a piece of cake. Number 2, break a leg. It means good luck. For example, you have a test today, break a leg. We don't mean really break your leg. It's just a funny way to say good luck. Number 3, under the weather. This idiom means you don't feel well. For example, I can't play football today. I feel under the weather. So next time you feel sick, you can say, I am under the weather. Number 4, raining cats and dogs. This idiom means it's raining heavily. For example, take an umbrella. It's raining cats and dogs. Of course, cats and dogs don't really fall from the sky. It just means a strong rain. Number 5, hit the books. This idiom means to study hard. For example, I have an exam tomorrow. I need to hit the books. We don't really hit the books. It's just a fun way to say, I need to study. Number 6, call it a day. This means to stop working for today. For example, I'm tired. Let's call it a day. So when you finish your work and you want to stop, you can say, let's call it a day. Number 7, on cloud 9. This idiom means very happy. For example, she is on cloud 9 because she passed the exam. Imagine being on a cloud in the sky. It's a happy place. Number 8, in hot water. This means to be in trouble. For example, he forgot his homework and now he is in the hot water. So, when you make a mistake and you are in trouble, you can say, I'm in the hot water. Number 9, once in a blue moon. This idiom means something that happens very rarely. For example, I eat pizza once in a blue moon. It doesn't mean the moon is blue. It just means it almost never happens. Number 10, cold feet. This means feeling nervous or afraid before doing something. For example, he got cold feet before the presentation. So, if you are scared to start, you can say, I have cold feet. 11, early bird. This idiom means a person who wakes up early. For example, my mom is an early bird. She wakes up at 6 a.m. So, if you get up early, you can say, I am an early bird. Number 12, night owl. This means a person who stays up late at night. For example, I am a night owl. I sleep very late. If you don't like mornings, maybe you are a night owl. Number 30, let the cat out of the bag. This means to tell a secret by mistake. For example, he let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. So when someone reveals a secret, you can say, he let the cat out of the bag. Number 14, cut corners. This idiom means to do something cheaply or quickly. Not carefully. For example, don't cut corners on this project. So when you do something without quality, you are cutting corners. Number 15, spill the beans. This also means to tell a secret. For example, come on, spill the beans. What happened? It's funny to ask someone to share information. Number 16, keep an eye on. This means to watch something carefully. For example, can you keep an eye on my bag? It doesn't mean you take your eye out. It just means to watch something. Number 17, kill two birds with one stone. This idiom means to do two things at the same time. For example, I study and listen to music. I kill two birds with one stone. Of course, we don't really kill birds. It just means saving time. Number 18, the ball is in your court. This means it's your turn to decide or take action. For example, I gave you the options. Now the ball is in your court. Think about a tennis game. The ball is with you, so it's your move. Number 19, bite your tongue. This idiom means to stop yourself from speaking. For example, I want to say something, but I bit my tongue. So when you stay silent, even if you want to talk, you bite your tongue. So let's move on to the last part. Cost an arm and a leg. This means something is very expensive. For example, this phone costs an arm and a leg. Of course, you don't pay with your arm or leg. It just means the price is very high. So today we learned 20 idioms. Piece of cake, break a leg, under the weather, raining cats and dogs, and many more. These idioms are very useful in daily English. Try to use them when you speak with friends, or even when you write. So what do you want to the next video to be about? Comment it. I would be really happy if you help me with new ideas. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends who need it. I'm new on YouTube and I really need your support. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you for listening.